Welcome, automotive enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive diagnostics with a comprehensive review of the ThinkTool Mini OBD2 scanner. If you're passionate about understanding your vehicle's health and performance, this compact device might just be the key to unlocking a wealth of information. Join us as we explore the features, capabilities, and user experience of the ThinkTool Mini. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. One of the first things you'll notice about the ThinkTool Mini is its sleek and compact design. The device fits comfortably in the palm of your hand, making it portable and easy to handle. The durable build ensures that it can withstand the rigors of the automotive environment. The intuitive interface and vibrant display make navigation a breeze. Now, let's delve into the standout features of the ThinkTool Mini. It boasts a wide range of capabilities, including OBD2 Diagnostics, read and clear diagnostic trouble codes DTCs, access freeze frame data, and view live data streams to pinpoint issues with your car's engine, transmission, emission system, and more. 28 special service functions. This scanner goes beyond basic diagnostics, offering a variety of advanced features like oil reset, EPB reset, SAS calibration, injector coding, and even ABS bleeding. Availability may vary by vehicle. Bidirectional control. In certain models, the ThinkTool Mini allows you to perform bidirectional tests, which means you can activate components and systems for further diagnosis. Lifetime free updates. The ThinkTool Mini receives regular software updates to ensure compatibility with the latest vehicles and features. Wireless Bluetooth diagnostic tool. Compared with wired devices, this diagnostic tool diagnoses the vehicle via Bluetooth connection. It makes vehicle diagnosis more convenient and free for car owners. Just connect the Bluetooth adapter included with the diagnostic tablet to the OBD2 interface, and you can diagnose anywhere outside your car. You are no longer tied to the diagnostic cable. To ensure smooth diagnosis, please keep a diagnostic distance of 5 to 10 meters. ThinkTool Mini car scanner supports almost all vehicles with OBD protocols after 1996. This device can be used for almost all OBD2 vehicles, and the supported vehicles include 96 plus car manufacturers and more than 10,000 models. No matter your car is from America, Asia, or Europe, it can do the diagnosis for you. The supported OBD2 protocols are ISO 14230-4 QIP 2000, ISO 15765-4 CAN, ISO 91412 ISO 14229 UDS, SAJ 1850 VPU, and PWM. Let's weigh the pros and cons of the ThinkTool Mini. Pros: compact and portable design, wide range of diagnostic functions, user-friendly interface, multi-language support, compatibility with various vehicles. Cons: highlight any potential drawbacks based on user feedback or limitations. In conclusion, the ThinkTool Mini OBD2 scanner is a powerful tool for anyone looking to take control of their vehicle's diagnostics. Its compact design, robust features, and user-friendly interface make it a valuable asset for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. That wraps up our in-depth review of the ThinkTool Mini. If you're interested in learning more or getting your hands on one, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive content. Until next time, drive safe and stay informed.